From space, Greenland appears empty, a white mass at the edge of the world, silent, uninhabited, forgotten. But emptiness is an illusion created by distance. In reality, the Arctic is one of the most strategically crowded regions on Earth. Not with people, with consequences. At the far northern edge of Greenland sits Pituffik Space Base, formerly known as Thule Air Base. It exists here because geography makes demands that politics cannot ignore. Missiles do not travel along borders. They follow curves. They rise into space and return across the polar sky. This is where those paths converge. Pituffik does not launch weapons. It does not defend cities. It watches. Its purpose is to detect the beginning of something irreversible, to recognize a nuclear trajectory while it is still only mathematics. Seconds matter here. Seconds that separate warning from surprise. Seconds that determine whether the world reacts or sleeps. The Arctic makes this possible. The curvature of the Earth lifts the horizon just enough to reveal what remains hidden elsewhere. What cannot be seen from the south announces itself here first. Greenland belongs to Denmark, but its security has long been shaped by forces far beyond its population or economy. During the Cold War, this relationship was explicit. Fear was structured, threats were counted. The Arctic became a forward line in a planetary standoff. That standoff never truly ended. It simply learned to whisper. In recent years, Greenland returned to political headlines in unexpected ways. When Donald Trump spoke openly about Greenland, many treated it as spectacle, a provocation, a misunderstanding. But geography does not misunderstand. The interest was never about land ownership. It was about position, about early warning, about who sees first. Pituffik is woven into a global nervous system of sensors that track missile launches, satellites, and objects moving beyond the atmosphere. This is not science fiction. It is routine. Inside the base, operators monitor streams of data that almost never change, and when nothing happens, the system has succeeded. The paradox of early warning is that success leaves no evidence, no explosion, no headline, only continuity. Those stationed here live with an unusual responsibility. They prepare for events they hope will never occur. They measure futures that must remain hypothetical. Outside the base, Greenland remains indifferent. The ice shifts, the wind erases footprints, the land does not acknowledge strategy, but the world beyond depends on what is seen here. Pituffik does not command power, it reveals it. It reminds us that modern dominance is not always loud or visible. Sometimes it is silent, frozen and patient and always watching.